You may be seated. We light this candle as a symbol of peace. We find the presence of God. We wait, we work for days of peace in all the earth. We await the birth of the Christ child, the coming of God in our lives in a new way. We wait, anticipating your peace, believing that one day it will fill our world.